I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
Several years ago, we both swiped right on a dating app while I was camping in Florida.
On our first phone call, I asked Tom where he lived.
Nervously, I said I live full-time in my RV, expecting an awkward silence and a quick end to any first date plans. But instead,
I thought it sounded cool.
That's what you gotta do to get the payoff.
oh, I have something for you. So, since you're moving in, you get to have some official keys.
I'm the king of the world!
And after a few months of dating, we embraced this new lifestyle together.
Our lifestyle now includes travel, adventure, work, and a home all in one.
So we never have to go on vacation.
Oh, that felt good.
That was awesome. Hey!
Order beer.
I did. I ordered one. Are you delivering? Better than being delivered on a beach, being delivered in the water. Tom, does it get any better than this? Does it? I don't think so.
Our friends say, you are living my dream life.
Well, we are living our dream life.
Are you happy to be here?
I'm happy to make it up here, yes. I don't know if I'll be able to make it up there, though.
But we would love to show you how we do it.
Because if we can do it, you can do it too.
Join us, and together we will explore places others only dream about.
I don't understand what the big deal is. It's just a plate full of sugar.
It's Cafe du Monde!
Just take it slowly. Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Wow, Colorado is amazing, isn't it?
Colorado is so beautiful.
All right, go.
You're not pushing me, are you? Okay.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me.
We're at Angel Oak in Charleston.
We will chase sunsets.
I wish that our love was just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah.
We will visit friends and family and meet new friends along the way.
We will explore local eats and unique drink concoctions.
Life is too short to eat food that's too sour. Let's go get some sweet apples.
All right.
Sweetie.
Yum.
Yeah, we have to have a bite of
We will climb mountains,
Hike to secret caves,
find hidden springs,
and discover adventures we didn't know existed.
from once-in-a-lifetime adventures
To unusual adventures in our own backyard.
It's an ongoing journey with no end in sight.
We'd love for you to join us.
And hopefully, we will inspire you to start your own journey.
You have this one life to live right now, and you get to choose.
To enjoy this journey called life.
Maybe you are already working from home.
Then you are already halfway there.
Now just put that home on wheels.
And we will show you how to do it on the cheap.
Join us as we share our tips and how-tos.
And a few of our mistakes.
Well, this is a little too close.
It is low. Yo!
Blowout right here, and last time it blew this whole piece off, which I just had fixed. And a little humor along the way.
Don't take such sharp turns!
Send somebody overboard.
Yeah, I don't know who's driving this thing right now, I tell you.
I'm looking for me some booty! Booty? What is it?
Booty.
Yeah, that's like a treasure, right? The booty?
Yeah.
How's your shower, Tom?
This is pretty bad.
Yeah? How bad is it?
It's really bad, actually.
Okay, rate it from like 0 is in like the worst shower ever to 100 is the best shower ever. How would you rate the shower?
Pretty solid 0. It's like spitting cold water at me.
I see. It's like
Not enough to get.
even wet.
Not really.
No. All right. Well, have fun with that.
Thank you.
We don't need beer salt. You know why?
Vic. Double fist.
You can do it too if you want to.
Hit that subscribe button and we will see you on the inside.
Raise your glass and let's celebrate
Cheers to our adventures together.
Yeah.
How can we top
How can we top this experience? Is this my life? Is this for real? Is this for real?
Cheers to
Cheers.
living our dream.
Living the dream.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunset. Yeah.
Yeah.
There is a door. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is what it feels like, living in the moment, living in the moment. When I'm looking at you, I'm here and now. Eyes open anew, it's clear to me now.
Time to grab a beer.
I think it is.